chasing the sun. All those days trying to find a place, a place where you only can just be alone, alone. All those nights lying by your side.
Hey, it's Jessie Lynn Somerville Kane, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much. It means everything to me. As you can tell from the title, today is going to be kind of mainly a first impression on the Revolution Makeup Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation, and I am very excited. I have a couple of other things here I'm going to try, but we're just going to go ahead and hop into this video. As always, whenever I try like a new foundation, I use products that I absolutely love and I know work, so that way if something's not right, I know it's not the products I use. So I'm going to go in with the Timeless Smoothing Primer from Tarte. I absolutely love this stuff. I'm very excited to try it. This is what it looks like. It's just huge. Like, here's it compared to the regular concealer or regular size concealer. This is in the shade F6, which I hope is a match. I haven't tanned in over a month, but I'm fixing to start back, so I wasn't sure what shade I needed to get. The applicator is huge. Looks like it may be a little bit too dark for me, but as always, it's like 9 o'clock at night, so I'm not going anywhere anyways. This is just usually the best time that I get to film. And I'm breaking out so bad. It's awful and it's so embarrassing. They just kind of showed up. I've been so stressed here lately. So stressed. I've had a lot going on. I'm gonna go in with my L'Oreal sponge. I love this guy. I might have put too much. Oh my gosh. I might have put too much to start out with. So far, it's really easy to blend out. The coverage is really nice. That looks actually too white. I hope it oxidizes. I don't even know if this claims to be like matte. Let me see. Okay, it is demi matte. I really like the coverage of it. We'll see how it sets with everything else. But even for me having more dry skin, I'd say I am digging it so far. It's not like clinging to any of my texture, especially like my acne that I have going on. The more I've been using that Teamy Blends mask on my face, the less dry my face has been. And that's been a huge, huge battle one for me. Now I am going to go in with their Conceal and Define Concealer in C1. If you've never tried the concealer, like, I highly recommend it because I love that stuff. Alright, now to set everything, I'm going in with this Found Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I love this stuff, y'all. As soon as we can, I promise me and my husband are filming again, but we had a birthday party for the girls this past weekend and we've just had a lot going on, but I promise we are filming together again. I can't wait. That was so much fun. Oh, that powder is sitting so nice on top of that foundation, y'all. Alright, I'm gonna go in with my CoverGirl True Blend bronzer. Alright, now to contour, I'm going in with the Park Avenue Princess palette from Tarte, and I'm going in with Princess Cut. And I'm just going in this brush from Cala, something like that. And just kind of placing that right there. And then I'm going in with this like stippling type brush. It's a Duo Fiber powder brush from Luxie, the 516 brush. And I'm just using that to blend that out. Alright, now for blush, I'm going in with the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten in Tropic Hues. And this did come in this month's BoxyCharm. And I am just really loving this blush. Alright, this is something new I have been wanting to try. It's the Milani Strobe Light in Day Glow. I just keep hearing so much stuff. This is what the packaging looks like. But I just keep hearing so much stuff about it, and I've been seeing some people use it, and it looks stunning. Glow, baby, glow. This is so flippin' beautiful. Okay, now I see what all the hype is about. If you have not tried this yet, I highly recommend it. Like, that is awesome. For my eyes, I'm going in with this Maybelline Soda Pop palette. And my friend Mandy has this and she recommended it, so I went and got it. This is what it looks like. Y'all can see my light. I gotta get a ring light, y'all, because I just have like this lamp I use. I'm really excited about this palette, and I thought it would be really fun to use it today since my hair is purple. I'm gonna go in with Ginger Ale and put that in my crease. So if you've watched it this far into the video, comment down below and let me know what y'all's favorite part about fall is. Mine is when it finally starts cooling off outside. I love hot cocoa, cuddling up with my family and watching movies. We've already started getting really back into our family movie time. I'm gonna go in with Cherry on Top. Cherry on Top, which is that shade right there. And I'm gonna put that very lightly in my crease. I'll build it up just a little bit. I really don't want the color going too high. This shade is so gorgeous, y'all. And it's blending out really easily. Alright, now I'm going to go in with no other than my Morphe M504 brush. I don't know why I always look at the handle. I use this thing every day. I know what it is. But anyways, I'm just going to blend out the top of that. Alright, I'm going to take a smaller type brush and I'm going to go in with Tonic, which is that shade right there. And I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. Alright, Morphe M504 to blend that. Now I'm going to go in with the Cherry Cola. And I'm going to put that on my outer corner. Oh, wow. This is like so pigmented, y'all. This Cherry Cola is like making me so happy right now, y'all. I'm gonna swatch this for y'all. I like barely dip my finger into that shade, y'all. I'm actually going to go back in with tonic, just in case you forgot. And I just dug my nail into Soda Fizz. Anyways, I'm going to go back in with tonic, and I'm just going to use my finger. And I'm going to put that on the lid in the inner corner. That is so pretty. Y'all. Alright, now I'm going to do my brows off camera real quick with my Goof Proof Brow Pencil in number 3, and I'll be back. Alright, now I'm going in with my Bella Pierre Cosmetics Gel Liner, and I have had this for a while. I haven't used it in a while. I don't even know. It may be dried up. It may not even work. I used to use it all the time. This thing is, oh, I don't know why I stopped using it. Like, it's so pigmented and it comes off so easily. Anyways, I'm going in with the CoverGirl Total Tease mascara. I love this stuff. Alright, now for my lips, I'm going in with this Meet Matte Hues Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick from the Balm Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Sincere, and I have become obsessed with this shade and this formula. Alright, and to set everything, I'm going in with the Essence Keep It Perfect Makeup Fixing Spray. This is the final look. The foundation is honestly looking amazing. Like, I really love the way it's sitting on my face. If you haven't tried it yet, I recommend it. Like, it's looking beautiful. Unless you don't like matte finishes, then I would not try it. But you can also go in with the face oil. That helps a lot when my skin is really dry. Anyways, that eyeshadow palette, whew, is stunning, stunning. And that highlight, hey. Anyways, that is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you've given it a thumbs up. Look down below, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you on my next video. Toodles.